Okay, folks, example 3, and you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and divide this screen as best I can so that we can see everything. This first one, 3 over root 5, there's really nothing that I can do. I'm going to write it a little bit bigger because it's a little blurry. There's nothing I can do here except I need to rationalize because I've got this radical in the bottom. Okay? So I need to multiply the bottom and the top by root 5. Okay? So that's going to simplify to 3 times the square root of 5 over this times this is the square root of 25, which is just 5. Now I want to look for, I've gotten rid of the radical in the denominator. Good, it's rationalized. Now I need to see, can I reduce this fraction in any way? 3 over 5 doesn't reduce, right? That doesn't reduce. And the square root of 5 is simplified as much as it can because it's prime. So I can't break down the 5 anymore, the root 5 anymore. Okay? That's it. Let's look at this next one. Root 7/8, that's the same thing as the square root of 7 over the square root of 8. Okay? Now, I've got to get rid of that square root 8 in the bottom. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 8. Okay? And that's going to give me on the top the square root of 56 over 8. Now what I have to do, I have to, you know what, and I'm going to blow this out a little bit so we can use it for us over here. I need to simplify square root 56. So I'm going to take root 56, not 57, 56. That's the square root of 8 times the square root of 7. Okay, I can't break that one down anymore. But I can break down this into the square root of 2 times the square root of 4. Okay, now that one's done. Now I need to break down this one to the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Okay, so the square root of 56 is broken out into the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 7. Okay, easy enough, right? I've got a pair here, and you remember, anytime I have a pair, I just get the number that's underneath it. So this is going to be 2. Neither of these have a pair, so I just put them back together, and I get 2 root 14. Okay, well, what does that mean, Mr. C? That means that this is 2 root 14 over 8. Okay, so I've gotten the radical out of the denominator. I've rationalized it. Can I reduce anything? Sure, I can reduce this 2 and 8. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 8 4 times. And I'm going to get root 14 over 8. And I can't break down root 14 because you'll remember that's the pair that I was left with from 56. Okay? So that's it. Okay? Okay, thanks guys for letting me notice this, that it's not 8 anymore. All right? That it is, okay, it's actually going to be 4 on the bottom since I canceled that. Okay? All right. I hope I can finish these, but let's see. Okay, for this one, I've got 9 root 3 over root 24, and I'm hoping that you see that this reduces with this, and I get 9 times the square root of 1 over the square root of 8. Well, everyone knows that the square root of 1 is just 1. So now I'm left with 9 over the square root of 8. Now, guys, I'm going to refer you back to, actually, I don't have that here, so let's simplify the square root of 8. All right, so I'm going to get square root 8 is equal to the square root of 2 times the square root of 4. That's the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. So when I simplify the square root of 8, I've got root 2 times root 2 times root 2. Right? This pair gives me 2 root 2. The square root of 8 is equal to 2 times root 2. So now I have 9 over 2 root 2. Guys, I'm going to erase this right here, give us a little more room. Okay, Mr. C, we're done. No, we're not. I've got to get rid of that radical that's on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by root 2. I'm going to get 9 root 2 over, this pair turns into a 2, 4. Okay? And I can't simplify it anymore. I can't reduce it. And that is it.